Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create group chat on Messenger. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to create group chat on Facebook or Messenger by yourself. Open your Messenger app. To create group, on the top right side, you can see a pencil and a paper icon. Tap on that icon. Now tap on Create a new group. Select the people with whom you want to create this group with and simply tap on Create. Now the group has been created. That is all for today. Now you know how to create a group chat on Facebook as well as Messenger. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos. Stay tuned.